To access Bitmart, follow these steps. First, go to the Bitmart website by typing bitmart.com into your web browser. Once you are on the website, click on the Sign Up button to create an account. You will need to provide a valid email address and create a strong password. After signing up, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to you by Bitmart. This is a security measure to ensure that your account is legitimate. Once you have verified your email address, you can log into your account using your email address and password. If you want to use the mobile app, you can download it from the App Store on your device. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices. Once you have downloaded the app, you can log into your account using your email address and password. To enable two-factor authentication, go to the Account Settings page and click on the Security tab. Then, click on the Two-Factor Authentication button and follow the instructions to set it up. This is an important security measure that will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Before you can start trading, you will need to fund your account. To do this, go to the Deposit page and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Then, follow the instructions to complete the deposit. It is also important to note that Bitmart has a Know Your Customer verification process that you must complete before you can withdraw funds from your account. To complete this process, go to the Account Settings page and click on the Verification tab. Then, follow the instructions to upload the required documents and complete the verification process. By following these steps, you can access Bitmart and start trading cryptocurrencies. Remember to always follow best practices for security and use two-factor authentication to protect your account.